you guys? It's your Gallery V and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be a 1, 2, 3 beginner friendly video. This wig required no lace, no glue, no nothing, y'all. This is a curly hair V-part wig that I received from Nadula hair. And if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Okay, so once again, I'm back on camera looking crazy. Y'all already know this straight hair process is done for. Like, it's been done for. Like, literally, it's been over with. But I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair. I already have 2 videos of me installing a V-part wig out, so I feel like you guys already like got the hang of it. But the only thing that makes this V-part different is that it's I put edge control on my hair and I should have never did that. Yeah, The only thing that makes this V-part wig different is that this is a different texture. Today we are going to be working with Nadula hair. Y'all should have known I was going to be talking about Nadula hair when I said my #1 favorite company. Okay, at 7 o'clock I need to upload this video, but yes, like I said, this is another V-part wig. You open your boxes, you get all that good stuff, whatever. Let's get to the good part, which is about the wig. So I was sent 24-inch V-part wig, curly hair. Now y'all, the reason why like I'm hyped about this hair, because this matches my natural hair, if that makes sense. Like, I can wear this anytime because I have no problem just like wearing my hair curly. So this wig is definitely going to be one of my favorites. This wig is going to be one of my favorite wigs to just throw in and go, because I don't have to do nothing to my natural hair. All I have to do is add water to my natural hair. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, with these V-part wigs, I barely get like any type of shedding. Like, see, I just got one strand right here because it's curly hair. But no, I'm hyped to do this wig. My hair, I hope my hair blends like perfect. Yes, I'm gonna be wetting my hair because you see this? Y'all see this? Like, this is over with. Like, this, I'm not even gonna waste my time and straighten the hair. Like I said, this is 24 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and repart my hair down the middle. Boom. And I'm gonna take out a nice amount, like a good enough amount. I feel like this is not a good enough amount, but I'm gonna take out a good enough amount so it can like blend good. I don't want to take out too much and then the wig just looks weird, but I'm gonna take about that much out. Boom, that's good right there. So I'm gonna braid this apart. I'm gonna braid this away to flatten my hair down, put it in that little low ponytail I've been doing. My hair is really done for. Like, I'm so mad. Like, I'm so mad. I gotta get my hair back to tailbone length. I miss my tailbone length hair. Like, this is not bad, but I miss my tailbone length. You guys know we're gonna pull that to the top. Pin that. This is how it looks in the back, just like that. I hope it looks good. If it don't, oh well. Okay, now I'm gonna throw on my wig. I'm hype about this because this is literally like 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be a 1, 2, 3 wig. Like, you don't gotta straighten, you don't gotta hot comb, you don't gotta, yo, you literally don't have to do no styling with this hair. Like, literally just throw it on, add water, go. I'm gonna put this real close to my hairline so it can blend like OD good. There we go. I said my hairline, my part. Boom. Okay? This is how it should look. Just like so. Okay, then you're gonna go in the back and pull your wig down and all that good stuff. I feel like y'all got the hang of it already. Like I said, this is my 3rd time recording the V-part wig. Boom. Wig is on. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling this hair already, and it's not even, my hair is not even a part of it yet. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe already. Now I'm just gonna take my hair and I'm just gonna leave my hair just like this, y'all. And that's it. That's all you do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna wet my hair, y'all. Let's hope it reverses back, because I was doing a lot of straightening on my hair. My hair isn't curling up. Am I bugging? A little confused right now. Why isn't my hair curling up? Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna just leave that side. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this side up because I know I'm not bugging, y'all. I just know I'm not bugging. My hair is not curling up, y'all. I'm so confused why my hair is not curling up. Yeah, I'm like genuinely confused right now. I'm so confused. Like, this is not even funny. Like, my hair is not curling up at all, y'all. The ends curled up a little bit, but my hair is not curling up at all. Like, it's just... Okay. Yeah, maybe I gotta wet it up some more. Because I'm so confused as to why my hair is not curling up. Maybe I got too much product in it. Probably gotta wash it. Like, wash the product out. I probably gotta wash the product out, right, y'all? Alright, I'm gonna go wash the product out the front of my hair. And I'm gonna come back. Because I'm a little concerned. Like, I'm highly confused at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Hi, y'all. Let's see how this is looking. Because, honestly, I'm highly confused. Like, okay. Okay, because no heat damage. Yeah, I was genuinely scared. Like, real life scared. Okay. Woo. I know for a fact y'all saw how scared I was. But anyway, do you guys see how my hair matches this wig so perfectly? Y'all. I'm about to cut a bang. Alright, let me stop. Okay, yeah, so let me part my hair now. Because I don't know what the devil just tried to do to me. Like, but God saved the day. I'm going to be using my Lot of Body. And I'm going to part the hair into half. I'm going to wet this side up. Wet it up some more. At first, I like the wild look with curly hair. But in the beginning, I like the calm look. You know, like, I like it wild after a few days after. Not on the first day. Like, I got to have that calm, wet look on the first day. Then I'm going to just add some mousse into it. Because I love the wet look. So, y'all, that's how I get the wet look. Mousse. Like I said, this is Lot of Body. Lot of Body with coconut and shea oil. Wrap me mousse. Because I know somebody's going to ask in the comments. And this is literally all that I'm going to do with this hair. I'm not going to put the mousse on my hair because, yeah, I don't play when it comes to my hair. But for my hair, I'm going to use my regular stuff. I use... Boom! Look how the curls done changed, y'all. You see how uniform the hair was over here to now how it looks? Like, I feel like when you wet the hair, it gives it more of a natural, you know, a natural curly look. I feel like when the hair is so uniform, nah, it's a wig. Like, you can just tell it's a wig. Alright, let me stop talking. Y'all probably like this girl talk so much. Alright, I'm gonna just speed this part up. time to work on my natural hair. So I feel like my hair is gonna blend so nice with this hair. For my natural hair, we're just gonna be using my almond and avocado curly cream by Design Essentials. This joint is expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and put some little bit of water on my hair, because my hair soaks up water real quick, as if it was never wet. And then I'm gonna just put some curling cream on my hair. I'm not put a lot because I don't want too much product in my hair, but I'm gonna literally just put like that much. Like when it curls up, I'm gonna wet the top and have it like blend in with the you see how it's already blended in, y'all? Y'all can't even tell what my hair is at. Can't even tell. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Gonna wet up my hair just a little bit to get that wetness back. And my hair did not get like no type of heat damage, so I'm happy for that. This side of my hair though, I always love because it's way curlier than the left side. Like I love this side. Oh shoot. I love this side way better than the left side. My right side, oh, love it. Left side, oh, hate it. No, I'm joking. My hair is damn near just as long as the weave, y'all. Literally. This is my hair right here, and this is the weave. That's crazy. Like, that's real life crazy. Now what I'm going to do is to blend it in now. Just spray a little bit on the top, like right here. On the top of each side, just to comb it in now. Nah, this is crazy. Y'all dead can't even tell what my hair is. I wouldn't even be able to tell what my hair is. So, yeah, this is a plus. I love this. I think this is deep wave, if I'm not mistaken, but this blends right with my natural hair. Okay, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm not extra. But when it comes to my hair, like, I'm a real extra. I don't know if you guys noticed. Like, my hair has to look good. Like, I'm real extra when it comes to my hair. Okay, so now for the top, I feel like I have to, add some type of gel or something to it. My hair, like, I could dead leave it like this. But you guys know, like, I'm a... Bro. Yo, that was my head doll. Not my head doll. My canvas head just fell in my closet. I thought it was a ghost in my closet just now. But, yeah, so... I'm going to go ahead and add some baby hair in. I'm just going to do it like that. I'm going to add a little bit on the sides, not too much. You know, just to give it a little Just like that. Boom. I think I did my edges better today than I did yesterday. Because I don't know what the hell that was. That's it for the edges. Boom. So this is how my edges is looking. It's giving frontal, it's giving closure, but it's not neither. It's a V-part wig. I wish I had like some type of gel or something to just help with the frizziness. Like, do you guys see that frizziness? Like, I don't like that. I don't like all this frizziness that's going on up here. So I'm just going to just see if I can calm that. Sorry y'all, my lips been ashy this whole video. I honestly didn't put on no lip gloss, no Bliss Sex, no nothing. Okay, so yeah, this is how my hair is looking. It's giving real hair. Like, this is dead giving my real hair. I love it. Would I recommend it? Hell yeah. Like, this is a wig I would definitely recommend. Like, if you have like naturally short hair and you just want to like spice your hair up a little bit, like if you want to add length. When I first did the big chop, y'all, I loved wearing clip-in curly hair, and it dead looked mad good with my hair. So if you're a natural girl who don't want to do nothing to your hair, who's scared to do anything to your hair, just get you a curly V-part wig, and literally all you have to do is install it and put your natural hair products in it. But y'all, this is the end of the video. This is how this hair is looking. I kind of want to do it like this. Like, brush that down like no, I'm not going to do it like that. I lied. How you guys like it? Let me know down below if it's giving like real hair, or if it's giving frontal, or like, just let me know down below what it's really giving. Because I feel like it's giving like real hair, it's giving frontal, like it's giving 1 2 3, it's giving beginner friendly. Like, this hair is it. Like, I like it. Like, I'm really jacking it. The only thing is, I be feeling a little weird when I do my real baby hair because I'm so used to like frontal baby hair. But overall, this hair is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I love it. Like I said, I was sent a 24-inch curly V-part wig. This is how the hair looks from the back. It's giving real hair for real. Like, it's really giving real hair. Like, I love this. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.